a better pet parent. So today I learned about deworming and the fact that I did not even realize that it is such a routine thing that we should be looking out for. So backing up, deworming is basically this process where your dog is rid of all the worms that they pick up. Where do they pick these worms up? It is doing what they do best, which is sniffing around, licking things, finding out what these random things on the road are, licking poop, eating poop, all of the gross things that puppies tend to do and dogs tend to do when they're out on walks. But that's their nature, right? That's how they're exploring their environment, that's how they're taking in all the information, and that's just what they do. The problem is that when they're doing all of these things, they tend to pick up parasites from the dirt. Now that could be ticks and fleas. I've done a video on this before, I'm going to link to that here. Or it could be worms. Now there are a lot of worms, roundworms, tapeworms, hookworms, a lot of really like tiny worms that we never get to see. And if you're worried your dog has worms, the way to get that checked is by giving a stool sample to your vet. If you're wondering what happens when dogs pick up worms, they could have loose stools, they could be vomiting, they could have blood in their stool as well. So a lot of these different symptoms caused by different kinds of worms. The most common place that they usually take root is the intestine. So if your vet gets a stool sample and they find that in that stool sample there are worms, they're going to first check in the intestine to make sure that they remove them. Now, the way to kind of remove these worms is by giving either an oral medicine for deworming or an injection. The schedule also kind of varies. For puppies, it is recommended that you get deworming done every 3 to 4 weeks. And it's not enough to just give one tablet, it's something you have to do, give again. So 3-4 weeks and then another 3 weeks. That's for the first time that they get worms, which usually get passed on through the mothers. And then after that, for the eggs that those worms would have left behind. So they hatch and it takes another 2 to 3 weeks. And then again, they need a shot of that deworming dose to remove those new worms as well. So till puppies are about 6 months old, it is recommended that they get deworming done every 3 to 4 weeks. And once they cross the 6-month-old threshold, it's recommended that you actually get your dog dewormed every 3 months. Now that's what ideally it's supposed to be, but if you're honest with yourself, the way that I know that I am trying to be honest with myself as well, a lot of times we forget as pet parents. There's so much going on in our lives, there are so many things happening, especially with the coronavirus right now, and just generally feeling not up to the mark, that we forget that dogs need a lot of care as well. We forget that every 3 months we actually do have to do this check on deworming, and that's why we made Sploot. Now Sploot is this iOS app at the moment. We're building Android as well. Sploot is an app that lets you set reminders for important pet care tasks. So for example, deworming is something that you need to remember every 3 months. On the Sploot app, you can actually create a record for the medicine that you have to give your pet and set a reminder for the dose with the frequency that your vet recommends for that as well. In addition, you can also store all of your vet's prescriptions for your dog, any other notes that you want to take, any injuries that your dog has had, take a picture of that, store it with your notes. It'll come in handy if your vet ever needs it to diagnose a condition. So yeah, I mean, check it out. I'm going to link to the app in the description below. Download it, check it out, give me your feedback and help us improve it. The idea is for all of us to become better pet parents. And this is a journey that is not going to be just 1 or 2 of us going that way. It's going to be all of us, and we'd love to help out in whatever way we can. Thanks.